the world of desk setups, there is one species in particular that has always made their mark. This, my fellow people, is Stan, who is your stereotypical gamer. He is in his natural habitat, which included watching memes and playing games and feasting on his favorite snacks. However, Stan has a major problem. His setup is incomplete. Without any protection, I'm afraid he will never have a clean desk. Let's see if we can help him out. Sorry about that, folks. But in all seriousness, just like Stan, I absolutely can't stand having my arms perched across my desk to use the keyboard on my laptop. Having my arms positioned this way means working on large projects can be very straining, and using the keyboard on this weird angle makes my hand cramp up. Not only is it very uncomfortable for my arms, I absolutely can't stand the smudges that are left behind on the glass. So, let's speed up this desk cleanup and see what I have in store for this desk update. Hey y'all, so after cleaning up my desk, let's finally do the unboxing. Okay, so in our first box we have our lovely keyboard. Now that's a nice keyboard. Ooh, okay. Time for our next box. And this, ladies and gentlemen, feels nice, is the Goliathus extended Chroma computer mat. Now, before we continue on to the unboxing, make sure to go hit the like and subscribe button below to make sure this video reaches the YouTube algorithm. And if you are interested in purchasing this limited bundle, make sure to visit Amazon.com using the link in the description. Now, on to the rest of the video. While unboxing the Razer Goliathus extended Chroma, one of the first things I noticed was the braided cable at the very top of the package. Not only did it feel very sturdy, it was also very soft to the touch. The package also came with 2 Razer logo stickers, an instruction manual on how to properly operate the device, and remember that when taking the package outside of the box, to be very gentle as to not to stretch the RGB lights, as that would damage the product. What I would recommend is to not slide the plastic slip, but to instead pull it open using the tabs. This mat, when opened, measures at 11.57 inches in length, 36.22 inches in width, and 0.12 inches in thickness, while also being lined at the edges by a high polymer optic fiber to distribute the RGB effect. Let's now take a look at our keyboard. Now this is something I have to admit I was very excited about. Having only seen mechanical keyboards on my favorite YouTube channels, I was finally able to purchase my very own. Upon opening the package, the first thing you see is the small envelope attached to the roof of the interior. In it is a personalized message from Razer, congratulating you on making it to the next level of gaming. Additional items also includes the instruction manuals and some Razer stickers. Similar to the Goliathus, the Huntsman keyboard has a much more thicker and sturdier braided cable attached to it. When you flip it over, the keyboard also has 2 types of stands as well, the highest setting and the medium setting. Looking more into the specs, a Huntsman is 5.52 inches in length, 17.51 inches in width, 1.38 inches in height, weighing in around 1.9 pounds. The keyboard has on deck the Opto mechanical switch, meaning that these switches operate by having an optical light sensor inside of it, so that upon pressing the key, you are instantly activating the switch key. And with less force being needed, each key is able to endure up to 100 million keystrokes.
Now that is what I call a very nice keyboard.
Overall, I'm more than happy to have these two new additions to my desk setup. Not only do they give my desk a 180-degree transformation in how it looks, it also gives me the right amount of comfort I need when working on projects or playing PC games.